what? You can create yourself a notebook on Amazon and sell it for money, of course. And the beautiful part about this one is that anyone can do it. Well, almost anyone. All you gotta do is create yourself an account on Kindle Direct Publishing, and then we'll go step by step. So, the first step, create yourself an account. The second step is to create the cover. I like using Canva.com for covers. It's free, you can take a free trial, you can just make multiple accounts, whatever. It's easy to use. I just love it. And a lot of people are using it as well. But before we do that, we have to go over to KDP Cover Calculator. What's going to happen here is that Amazon will give us the dimensions of notebooks, and it's going to give you the template, which you can follow on Canva, so it just makes things easier. What you gotta do, you gotta type this in the Google search bar. And then you just have to enter your book information. Notebooks. They don't have nothing inside, right? So you can do whatever you want to. The cover is only what's important. The cover is gonna sell. I mean, I know they say don't judge a book by its cover, but on Amazon, it's not true. So what do you have to do? Select the binding type. Binding type is going to be paperback, all right? Interior type is going to be black and white because we just want to make like dotted or whatever. I'm going to give you templates later. Paper type is of course going to be just white paper, and page turn direction left to right, normal. Measurement units. Well, it doesn't matter if you live in the Europe and you want to use millimeters, use inches. I'll tell you why. Interior trim size, go with 6x9. That's like the standard one, and I've got a template which is 150 pages of the notebook, so it's going to be okay. Click on calculate dimensions, and Amazon is going to give you this. It will even give you this, so you can just download this template and it's going to go over to your computer, and now we're ready to design that cover. On Canva, just click on custom size, and then you will just type in. You're maybe wondering how I got these, but this is the template that I've got. This is the one that I have downloaded, and you can see 6x9, and the overall dimensions are going to be 12.588 by 9.25. This is because there are going to be sides, and Amazon will cut the book within these dimensions. So you gotta have the cover which is in these dimensions. I hope that makes sense. So once you've got those, click on create new design, and of course Canva will bring you there. Now the first step is to upload that file, that PDF file that we've got from Amazon. Click on here and then click on upload files. Just choose the one that you have downloaded. You can find it over in your projects if not there, and then these PDF files, you just move them like this, all right? It's going to fill the entire page. Now, it is important that everything that you design fits into the white space, all right? Because Amazon is going to cut the book at these red spaces, all right? And this in the middle, this is the spine, all right? And the right-hand side, this is the front back of your cover. That is the front, and this whole thing is the back of your notebook, all right? So I often go and I just go to elements and I add a certain shape like this one is, for example, and then I just move it like this to fit the corner of this, and then I just do this. All right, so it just tells me what can I use for designs. Now you can just right click on it and click on layer and bring forward, or you can just click on bring to front and it's going to be like this. But still, you can just go to transparency and just lower it a bit so you can see what's happening behind this yellow thing. Now you can of course go and choose the color of it. So for example, I'm going to choose something like this, or maybe this. Let's say that my book is going to be like this. I'm just going to check the color. If it's okay, it's okay. I like the color, and I'm going to do it like this so I can just design more. Few options here. You can just make a bland type of notebook. You just write certain motivation quote, but this is going to depend on your niche. I recommend going over to Amazon.com, just type in notebook, and then just see what other people are doing. You can see some of these are really simple. Some of these have like little design on it. Some of these are like crazy designed. For example, if you type in side hustle planner, you can see that these people have put even the pictures on it. I do not like these. This one is maybe good, but I don't like these with a picture. I like these simple ones. You can, of course, choose whatever you want to, but I'm just showing you the options. Some of these are just like crazy and really thoughtful. As you can see, this is going to attract a lot of attention, as you can see. So It's really cool. But what is important is that you make the text on the spine, and it has to be in the middle. For example, I'm just gonna go over with text, and I'm gonna add a heading, let's say, and I'm just gonna type in side hustle planner. Let's just do it like that. And I'm gonna rotate this one, so 90 degrees, and I'm gonna make it smaller so it can fit in this little thing. So it has to be a little bit more. This is gonna go on the spine. Make sure that is in the middle, as you can see this line. And now you can drag it like this, so it just spans a lot more. You can increase, like, for example, the fonts and sizes and everything. Make sure it's in the middle, and that's it. Now I'm gonna add one more. I'm gonna type, never forget how capable you are, and I'm gonna put this on the front. So I'm just gonna do it like 90 degrees once more, and I'm gonna move this like here. All right, and I'm gonna change the color to, let's say, just white. I want this white, and I want this white as well. You can see colors are located here. Canva is really easy to use. And now I'll just make this simple design. I like simple things, and now I'm just gonna go with this, and I'm gonna move the transparency back to this before I go over to share and before I download this one. Now this is a simple design, all right? And you can see that everything inside of this white box is gonna be printed out. You can, of course, add a little bit different fonts. There's a lot of fonts here. There's a lot of elements which you can use. You can move all these things so you can just make this more beautiful or more attractive, whatever you are. You can play with all of these things, play with transparency of all of these things until you make a design which is good for you, which you think is going to be attractive. But as I've told you, just look what other people are doing and try to model the success. Once you've downloaded it, well, you're ready for the last step. You're gonna publish this one. When you create yourself an account on KDP, this dashboard is gonna look like this. Now, click on the create here, and then just head over and click on paperback. This is the one that we need, create paperback, and then you've got a lot of these little things that you gotta take care of. For example, book title. Once more, this is going to depend on your niche, all right? So whether it is like a self-help notebook, whether it is like a journal, whether it's like a diary, whether like, I don't know, side hustle planner, you know, motivational planners, you can just do the research of what people are searching for on Amazon. And you can do that easily like this. So you type in notebook 4, and then you see all of these little keywords that people are searching for. Of course, there are a lot of these tools out there, and you can just use those as well, but you gotta pay for them. This is the manual type. And I forgot to tell you as well, you gotta put the interior inside of Canva as well. I'm gonna put this link in the description down there, so you can just enter your email address so you get this dotted one. It's gonna look like this, so you can see 150 pages, and this is gonna be the interior of it. But honestly, you can just do this. Dotted interior for notebook, or ruled interior, whatever interior you want. And you've got Creative Fabrica. You've got a lot of these things that you can just download for free. This is like free everywhere. Just search for notebooks interiors online, download, find something for free. There's a lot of these like different ones. You can just find them online, but I like these simple ones. I just like these. And then you will input all of those pages into Canva. All right, you add a new page, but you gotta make the half of it. All right, resize the half of it, and then add 150 of these. And then of course you can duplicate all of these, so it doesn't take a lot of time. And then, as I've told you, book title. You don't need subtitle, you don't need serious, you just have to make the author, all right? So your first name, middle name, last name, whatever, you can just describe this briefly and then just go and read through all of these. It's nothing complicated, you just put a category, you just put some keywords, you don't have to, it can maybe help to you, and then you will just set up a price. For price as well, just go and see what other people are doing, but my suggestion is that if you are just starting out, just put a lower price, you know, because this will take you like, I don't know, 30 minutes to make. So you can just lower the price down. Why I'm telling you this? Well, you just want to compete with other people at the beginning. You want to get some of these reviews at the start. So later you can, of course, increase the price. But for starters, just go and make the price. Just have a look at this. This person is selling for $2, you know? And the beautiful thing about this, well, it's passive income, you know? You make it once and you can sell it for $1, you're still in the profits, right? So it's good, it's profitable. Just go with the flow. My suggestion is, of course, make numerous types. Make like 10 of these, 20 in the next week. You never know which one of these is gonna work. Make a lot, upload a lot, and you will get those sales. It's not hard. You've seen it. Just cover and the interior. It's a notebook after all, but it works. I'll catch you later.